Well, welcome along. You join me on the 420 heading towards Swindon. I'm not going to talk about the loader in the back. I got a 6-ton excavator. Well, I am talking about it then, aren't I? And a new material handler as well, so a telehandler then, cube water one. So anyway, it's on about that this episode. If you're a channel member, you already know the news which is coming up, and you would have seen, if you're silver and above, you would have seen the video that I originally posted. But it's a couple of things which is I've decided the reason why I wanted to redo the video in. Firstly, the video that was up last week has done really well, and it's got me a lot of subscribers to the channel. So that video which is there, I don't think is enough. I think you deserve more. As viewers, you deserve more. And I'm thinking to myself, me just talking here about what's happening and then ending the video is just not enough. You need to see what is to come, or what sort of things is to come to the channel. So it's all little hints at the moment of what's happening. So let's get to the point. So what's going to happen to the channel, you may have noticed that if you've been commenting, the reply back will say Timbo Central, at Timbo Central. On the comments that they've been returning back, and that's because the handle on YouTube has already changed. So I've changed it to what the channel is going to be called, which is Timbo Central. And the reason being for that is that I have several YouTube channels, but this is the only one which is affiliated with YouTube, and it's the only one where I can earn from the channel, which is, you know, you got to look at this as, you know, a sort of a business perspective, and you know what I mean. So, you know, it'd be nice for it to grow and, you know, go from there. But obviously the other channels are kind of lagging behind because I can't meet the requirements for them to become affiliated, in the sense of you need to have so many subscribers and so many uploads within a certain amount of time, and so many hours viewed and stuff like that. Now, the reason why they're having problems is because I don't regularly post on them enough, not as much as what I do on this channel. And the videos then which do go, well, I wouldn't say viral, but do get a lot of views, are going to waste, if you know what I mean. So all the channels need to come to one place, and this is the place. So you're still going to have Trucker Timbo. It's still going to be posted every Monday morning at 10 o'clock. You're still going to get that, and you're still going to get the shorts. Nothing's going to change there. However, you are going to get additional videos from the drone channel, which is going to be coming across, the exploring channel, where I go to different places and I, you know, like show you what, you know, some hotels are like if I go abroad, or if I go to venues and show you what they're like. And obviously then Timbo Unloaded, which I've never really pushed on that one. That will be, you know, coming to this channel. What's happening with the other channels then? Well, they're going to all be mothballed at the moment. I'm not going to delete them just yet, but I am going to mothball them, which means I'm not going to post any more videos to them. And if it does need to be then where it does need to be separated to different channels, then they're there already. But I'm hoping that it doesn't, and we'll just keep everything in the same place. So why have I pulled that last video down and, you know, re-recorded this and put this out up then? Well, the last video was just me talking, and I didn't have nothing there really then to say, you know, to show you what was coming. There was no excitement then or anything like that, and it was basically a lack of effort on my part. So even though I'm going away, well, when this is aired, I'm actually away on holidays, and you'll see that with the shorts that I'm going to be posting. But even though I've got to edit this on Friday evening and try to get it done, you know, ready for the Monday, it's going to get done. But I just wanted to make sure that it's of a quality that it already should be, rather than me just talking. So Next week now we're gonna have a little bit of a gap in a video. Well, we may have additional videos coming in from other content, but as a trucking one on a Monday, we're not gonna have a trucking one. We're gonna miss out on that one. I'm not sure about the other videos just yet, just purely because I'm away on holidays and I'm not gonna have any content to share with you. So I could have, you know, you could say, well, what about this week? Well, you know, you've done moves this week. Yeah, I have, but the places I've been, like into the docks, I've been to the docks quite regularly in Tilbury. They don't really allow you to film, and you can get into a lot of trouble filming in the docks, which means then that I could get banned, which affects my job because we're in there quite often. And then I've been to a few quarries as well. Unfortunately, them quarries, then you can't record, so you know it can be a bit of a pain. And when you've got all them sort of jobs together, then you don't really get content for the week, which is a shame. However, what's going to happen now is that I'm going to show you what's going to be coming to the channel, and that's why I re-recorded this. So without further ado, I'm going to show you some basically a montage of the sort of things that's going to come to the channel. This is not necessarily the videos that come to the channel, but the sort of things that you're going to see, like with the drone footage, with the exploring, and obviously the trucking video. So it's a bit of a montage with everything, and we'll go there and let's go. So what do you think? That is what is going to be coming to the channel, the sort of things that you're going to see to the channel. So you're going to, like I said, you're going to have the original truck at Timbo posted every Monday. Nothing's going to change there. So if you're here for the trucking side of things, that's going to stay. If you're going to be here and you want to enjoy the rest of the stuff, or you're here for the rest of the stuff, then I'm not sure exactly what days they're going to go on, but obviously the description will be updated with the schedules once they, you know, once they are, like, you know, obviously the drone, recording the drone, I'm intending to notice that it's more than likely on better weather than what we have in the UK around this time of year. So, you know, when I can record, so obviously it's more of a summertime thing, that is. So try to do enough recordings during the summer, then that's the plan, to actually record it then, not record it, to actually give me enough content to go all the way through the winter. So them are the things. Anyway, remember, if you are a channel member, thank you very much. If you're not a channel member, then consider being a channel member just by clicking the join button down below and selecting what tier you want to select. Remember, if you're silver and above, you get to see the videos early, and obviously you get to have members videos as well, which are going to be kicking off a bit more. Now, there's other ways you can help the channel out, liking and subscribing. I know a lot of you recently have subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much. It means a lot when you're seeing that number all of a sudden shoot up when it's been stagnant for quite some time. So it means that the algorithm is actually pushing it to an audience which actually want to see the content. You know what I mean? So that's good to know that YouTube's algorithm is back working as it should, rather than it being stagnant. So a good tip for you, if you are doing a YouTube channel and you do notice that your channel is going stagnant, stick with it. It will get better. Just keep on doing what you're doing, and the algorithm will find your audience. If you would like to help a channel out, then there's a few ways you could do it. You can hit the super thanks down below, and you can buy me a coffee, which is in the link is in the description. I do have a Discord server. We're not that busy on there, to be honest with you, but if you would like to join there and have a chat with me directly, then yeah, fire away. But make sure you tag me in it, because obviously I'm busy during the day, and during the night is only when I can catch up on it. But other than that, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you when I get back off holidays. Have a good one.